Hi, I'm Diana and I have super fine hair. This was a high ponytail 20 minutes ago, but because my hair is so thin, it's slipped out. But I have a hack to fix it and make it look perkier in 2 seconds. The trick is bobby pins. What you're gonna wanna do is start fresh and create a high ponytail. The trick is to use bobby pins almost like stilts to help prop up your ponytail. I'm going to slide them in here. I like to use 2. And you're just inserting them vertically. And then you want to make sure that your ponytail lands at the top there, so they're truly propping it up. So as you can tell, my hair is looking much perkier, and I promise this will last all day. This is my favorite 5-second trick for a perky ponytail.